I forgot the hello the science seductor. Hello the science seductor. By the way, I forgot to reset the title. Oops. Let me set that. It is no longer January. Um, what is it? What month? Oh, it's February. That's what comes after January. All right, here I am setting that one. So, I oh I was I had taken a I had taken a nap. I had taken a nap right before this and forgot that I was doing things. And then let me switch it over to the screen to the other screen really quick. Yeah, I I'd forgotten that I had things I was supposed to do or things to get set. Or I didn't forget, but I slept through that. I took a nap at set like 7:30, which was rather somewhat of a mistake. Let me change this. Redeem myself. Excursion. All right, I'm just gonna mash out something that sounds kind of cool. Redeem thyself with an excursion into libcubescript, since that's what we're doing today. Perhaps along the way, gain great what glory and fortune. Yeah, this sounds cool. This sounds banger. This sounds banger. All right, yeah, yeah. I don't know if it updates automatically. Let me check that. Let me check that. How do I how do I how do I how do I see myself? How do I see myself as myself? Okay, it does. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Okay, okay, we're rocking now. We're rocking. I recalled what I was supposed to do, and only 5 minutes too late. But yeah, we are. Yeah, so it's been kind of a wild. If we go to blog, it's been kind of a wild. How long has it been since Friday? Like 72 hours. Wild 72 hours, as they say. I've been I've been writing a lot, probably too much on this post right here. It is starting to get somewhat lengthy. I'm gonna trim it down later, but that's going to be fun. Hello, Threadmeter, welcome. Hello. But what was I doing? Oh yeah. So if you go here, I hope you're well. By the way, I hope you're doing excellent on this fine Tuesday. I keep wanting to say it's Monday. I think it's just been that kind of week. I keep thinking it's still Monday for some reason because I woke up this morning. I was like, Mondays, am I right? And I'm like, wait, it's Tuesday, which is a net positive. That's a net positive, I guess. But uh, DoorDash 3 packs of cigs. I thought it was Monday too. Oh, that's rather epic. That sounds rather fun. Let's see. What month do we What month do we live in? What day? What is the month? What is the day? This is becoming a becoming poetic to some degree. Have you have you ever witnessed a day such as this? We'll just call it the fabreview.org. And then let's go into January. Let's go into January and let's steal a couple days. Yeah. And we'll just switch this over to February. February. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Okay, I know how to spell. I am literate. I have knowledge of I have craftsmanship whenever it comes to words. There are not 94 days, there are 4 days. All right. And so we'll just call this February. And then what happened? what's going on? What's going on with February? What's going on with the existence of February? I have approximate knowledge of language. I know some. You see, this is somewhat. You see, I feel like I don't make up words. I don't feel like I make up words, but I feel like what I do, what my, what happens with me is I hear words. I understand some of them. I'm able to, intuit the meaning of some degree of words, and then others become a, a dark mystery of sorts that I only understand through like hearing others say it. Like these often go in the one I think of a lot is like phraseology, like turns of phrase, like uh, what does the hats mean? Hats. Oh, yeah, you can do. Watch. Hats, flower. Not hats. Oops. Hat. I don't remember my own command. Hat, flower, and like now there's a flower. Yeah. Uh, but yeah, no. With like linguistically, I think of like wool over the eyes. I think of this. I think of this. Pulling the wool over your eyes. What the hell does this mean? What does this mean? It's, you know, I find that whenever people use shorthand terminology or like turns of phrase like this, I will sometimes nod and agree, but then I will go back and I will Google what does this mean, because I have the connector in the brain that says, oh, this doesn't mean literally. You see, I think of this is what I hear wool over the eyes. I think of this, and I have no clue what connection it has, termino- like terminologically, or how's the big book? Hello, welcome in, Crazy Kitty and Sparkly Dark Matter 73. Welcome in both. Oh, it is no longer Haskell January. We are now in what happened February. And what that's actually the first thing that happened is we had yeah, that's kind of funny. Has been January. We're now in the, I'm calling it the redemption arc. This is the thematically it is the redemption arc, which is where I work on Twitch API stuff. But it sounds cooler if I think of it like in I think of this Binding of Isaac, Devil Room. So I think of this. There's kind of like a multi-pronged aspect of this. There's one where it's the actual like, I think of the Devil Room in Binding of Isaac, and then I think of this dream I had, which we shall get there. We shall get there. We shall get there very quickly. But what did we do on the 31st? There's 31 days in January, right? Yeah, there are. And also, hello, Crazy Kitty and Sparkly Dark Matter. If I already said that, I apologize. If I didn't, hello. I hope you are both well. Have you played the Stanley Parable? I've never played the Stanley Parable. I haven't really been gaming a lot lately. I want to. I so desperately want to, but the only one I've been playing is Cave Story. But I do want to play Parable. This will probably be an undertaking of sorts. I finished this game recently. Dread Delusion. This one. I finished this recently, and it kind of hit me kind of hard, and I was just like, it's like when you read a really good book and you have to like go think about your life for a little bit. It was kind of like that, but with like a game, and I was like, I have to go think about my life for a time, and I am kind of in that state. I open up my computer sometimes and I see Dread Delusion on there, and I'm like, damn, that was good. That was good. And that's all I think about. And like, but it was quite fun. I'm going to assume it doesn't work, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Press icon color, PNG. The Godot PNG. The Godot PNG. This is exciting. This is exciting. I kind of like this robot. I kind of like the yeah, he looks quite nice. We aren't doing Godot today though, or probably ever. Or I won't. I did once upon a time, but um I don't know. If I make a game, it'll probably be in Pygame. If I'm being honest, waiting for Godot. Yeah, this is a game engine. This is a game waiting for COBOL. That, aren't we all to some degree? The banks are. But yeah, what happened at the end of January? We freaking did Haskell freaking January. That happened. That was rather cool. And we gained some insight. The primary one I would say is Haskell cool. Second one is, honestly, types are not as bad as I thought. And then the third is kind of more of a side effect of sorts, or a secret third option, as they say, which is now when I write Lisp, I feel like I'm still thinking with Haskell mindset. And I don't know how I feel about this aspect right here. I really, it's probably for the better. It's probably for the better to some degree, but I think of that. So that was kind of the main thing. I'm sure that I will fill in the blanks a little bit here and there. But where does that leave us now? Well, you know, I'm glad you asked, dear reader. I'm glad you asked because we have the goals. Let me pull them up. No, Emacs. Bug blog. Oh, they don't exist in org mode. They exist on the official Big Book of Blog. Big Blog? Oh my god. They exist here. So we completed Haskell January. I do need to mark that out. And that's sick. So what are we doing now? Well, today's kind of an excursion into package libcubescript and poke edit some. So I managed to package it. So today's kind of a poke edit day. So we are going to. It's kind of the next step. Resolve. We're gonna resolve libcubescript. It's coming to its resolution. That's today, and then there's kind of a question of, and then what? And that's important right here because we have our theme. Yeah, we are going to let's shrink all of these down to some degree. And then what? We are going to redeem. So that's one. The other is it came to me in a dream, as they say. Well, it quite literally did come to me in a dream, but premonitions of bug hell, which is I think I may have discussed this in some respect, but I had a dream about I had a dream many moons ago about a Twitch redeem here that the redeem was quite literally called send the bug to hell, and whenever you clicked it, the little sprite that I have would catch on fire, and that was the whole thing. And I'm like, I kind of want to make this because I think it would be hilarious to have that. I read libcubescript as libshit and Cuban, and I needed to go. I need to go lie down now. Well, have a good lying down. Have a good lying down. Waiting for Cobalt. Really wanted to make games. I think I'd be making or be an amazing writer for that medium. Oh man, I played Cart Life and cried. What is Cart Life? What is Cart Life? Like, what is that? What is Cart Life? Is a oh, wait, what? Cart Life is a simulator video game developed by Richard Hoffmeyer using Adventure Game Studio for Microsoft Windows, released in 2010. Let's see. Oh wait, the source code is released for free? Wait, what? Wait. Wait, what? What was it written in? I guess we could find out. Cart Life source code. Okay, okay. AGS script. Oh, okay. Probably for the engine. Okay, this is cool. Wait. I'd never heard of this. This is kind of cool. So I'm guessing, like, yeah, if the whole of the source code is just, if it's just free, you could probably, for all intents and purposes, compile this yourself, right? I put some binaries as well as a clone of this repository up on SourceForge. Ah, yes. Contributing. It's clear that at the time of making this game and writing all of this mind cancer inducing code, I was new to scripting and was only guessing at how to make things work. What takes Cart Life hundreds of thousands of lines of scripting could be done in a few dozen more astute. Let me expand this. Yeah, we are going invisible for a little bit. Could be done in a few more dozen by a more astute author. But despite the immeasurable shame I feel when I glance back over the shit, I remember that I only learned what I know through looking at the attempts made by other authors. If they hadn't granted me the chance to peek under the hoods of their creation, I could have never even started to forge my own. It's my dearest hope that any of this is of use to someone. Best of luck, Pioneer. That is... Wait, that... I like that. I like that. It's like a nice message of hope. That is... Okay, this is... I think an entry has to be added for today in particular. For just this. This is the first of today. You know, we... Cart Life? And we'll just go ahead and put that right there. Because this is cool. Wait, this is cool. I like it whenever I can look at how things are made from the inside. Poke at the guts, you know. I think of the guts of a game. The guts of a game. I like this. But yeah, we are today, we are looking at let's go to the official. There it is. Let's go to the official repository. Okay. Yeah. So this is something that I had spoken with. It was Yellowberry HN, who shout out actually to Yellowberry HN, and had mentioned that I want, or you know, they had told me about this, and I had mentioned that I wanted to take a look at it. So that's what we're doing today. I wanted to wait until I could get it successfully built to like try and take a look at it, because watching me sit here and like try and recompile this like against assertion errors would probably be, you know, like watching paint dry to some degree. And plus I was kind of, there wasn't much I could do beyond submit an issue and wait for it to be resolved. But resolved it is. We have if we go here, um, oh no, is it just called CubeScript? Is it just see, A squared resubscribed for 2 months. Thanks for thank you for the subscription, A squared. Let's fucking bug. Indeed. Thank you. Sorry, I was distracted by the L:Q string. Oh, no need to apologize. No need to apologize. At all. Are things still going down there? It seemed quite a, I was quite enthralled. By the amount of C programming. Uh, it was very it was quite the thing. I was rather enthralled. I had so much to do today. The moment I got out of work, push 8 bytes to the stack. This is hell. Oh yeah, this sounds terrifying. um, yeah, this sounds even a bit lower level than like I usually go. I my thing is, I think I usually like, I've done C quite a bit, but it's always been like around the parameters of SDL. I would say is like my main thing, and then I guess poking at strings. But that sounds terrifying. Pushing 8 bytes to the stack. This is uh, fucked assembly. Oh, like C with inline assembly kind of setup. Yeah, this is kind of a. Actually, this should be added to the. Oh no. No, is it writing bytes to arrays with C? Oh, okay, sick. Oh, thank you for the subscription as well. Science Seductor. There is. Thank you very much. W affiliate. Yeah, we, you know, it's how it goes. It's how it goes. Welcome in XR Xavier. Welcome. It, uh, the affiliate's nice because we have buttons. We have buttons now, which is sick. Meteor kind of happens. Ho ho ho. You did not trigger the impact.
Meteor happens. Oh. Meteor happens.
Okay, you did. You did. This is. I was trying to not. Yeah, it goes. It goes. Eventually, it happened. I did turn it down some. I don't know if it's turned down enough. I don't know if it's turned down enough, but hopefully it is. Hopefully it is. But yeah, we are looking at. I guess I don't have this down. Did I package this and then never actually download it? Geeks search libcubescript. Yeah, I guess I never actually installed it after I packaged it. But yeah, this like it's literally me. Yeah. Packages libcubescript. I thought I did. Let's anyway. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into, because this is I mean, it looks kind of like I tried to poke at this some and could not find like very much at all on like how it functions beyond the actual Git repository. So I was trying to write to a file, and that's about all I've done on it so far. So I think actually what we're going to do is just go into here. Let's copy that. I think that we're going to like poke at the source code some, because it's C++. I shouldn't be too bad. All right, can we clone? Clone. Okay. Did we? Yep. Okay. So let's go ahead and cd libcubescript. Okay. Okay, here we go. And how do you build? Building and usage. Okay. MCD build. I don't have Mason. Okay, Mason Ninja. Mason dot dot and Ninja all. Okay, you show Ninja. Is it, did we build? Did we build? I think. Tools. No. Oh, it's in build. Okay, okay. Oh, it's just called CubeScript. Alright, let's see if we can get a bit of a mode going here. What is the default file called? Test gs simple.cube. Simple.cube. Okay. Yeah, we'll go ahead and open that up for now, and then can we comment run? I don't know if comment's gonna work. Hold on. Comment run. Okay, let's just run it in the... I just run it in the terminal, so let's go ahead and split this. I think we could do eShell. I think we'll be okay with eShell on this. Alright, build. Test. No, not test. Build tools, CubeScript. Alright, so how does this work? How does this work? Okay, and then we have assertions. So they do assertions and looping and what? Like that's really it. I think there's where do we get echo from? I guess is the main question here. So can you eat? Okay, thank you. Actually, it's just grep echo. We probably need to get out of that directory, and let's just go into the top level right here, copying echo all and all right, let's see. REPL.cc. Okay, this seems to be, or runner.cc. Well, runner is in tests. This is in. Alright, we have that, and we have echo, or we have line noise. So, I guess we'll go ahead and take a look at REPL.cc 375 first. So, let's go ahead and peek in there, and that's in tools, REPL. Avoid silly complaints about F open. Echo. So GCS new command. God, C++ is It looks so weird. It looks so weird. Oh, it looks so odd to me. I'm not used to it. It looks. I mean, it just kind of looks like Rust. I don't know. Rust looks more normal to me than C++ whenever I look at it, but like C looks more normal than both. I don't know what that says about me as a person. But yeah, standard print F. So I guess we have to find out what new command does. Is oh, oops. So we go here. GCS. CS state new command. So we have that in state maybe? Can we rgrep here? New underscore command. And we'll go ahead and search all again. Let's hop up one, just in case it is buried. Alright, so source csstate.cc. Okay, here we go, here we go. I'm guessing that defines some of the commands that we have. So if we go here, alright, let's go here. Let's go into the include first, and let's take a look at kubescript state.hh. Oh, kubescript, okay, state.hh. Let's see what we can actually find on here. Source CS state is going to be the CC file. Struct state. The allocator function signature. This is the signature function passed. Typical allocation function. Alright, so that's just for allocation. The hook function, let's see. It is possible to set up a call hook for each thread, which is called upon entering the virtual machine. The hook returns nothing and receives the thread. Alright. Command a command function. This is how every command looks. It returns nothing and takes the thread reference, a span of input arguments, and a reference to the return value. So if we do, hello, oh wait, you were already here. Well, hello again, A squared. Mrow indeed. Mrow indeed. Hi, yes. Hi. Hello, hi. Yeah, welcome to the bug. Oh my god. Shout out, shout out to Prodigypod. Shout out. I should have shouted out women. We will queue up women. We will queue up women. Because really, shout out to women. Like the infinite shout out to women. I wonder. Like the day women goes live is going to be a wild one. It's gonna be a wild one. W women for real. This is, this really is the case. Oh, we have, okay, this is register a command. This registers a built-in command. A command consists of a valid name, a valid argument list, a valid function to call. The argument list is a simple list of types. Currently, the following simple types are recognized. I got Conk to go on or go to the AMD 64 architecture manual on stream. Oh, this is exciting. Wait, yeah, we have this open. I can just open this up right here. It's I've been like, I think they're like some of the old ones. I don't remember if I saved the VODs. I hope I did. I hope I archived them. But I was very very fast and loose with the lack of storing VODs at the beginning there. But there were some days it was just like, I think all I did was sit there and read Wayland documentation. And I was like, okay, I think tomorrow I can write something from this. It is it was rather wacky. Welcome Sergeant Pepper. Welcome Kieran as well. Welcome as well. And Niche Penguin. Welcome one and all. Welcome to all. Yes. Those days we know them all. New viewer.
Meteor happens. Meteor happens.
Meteor does happen. Only here, and the depths of space. To dinosaurs. Yeah, it is. Oh, is it too loud still? Is it too loud? I welcome in Party Cat LOL as well. I can turn it down another portion if it is too disruptive of a meteor. But it to some degree as well. I guess it simulates the catastrophe of the Triassic. I think the volume sliders go wherever they want each stream. It got to be that way. It's yeah, no, it is. It really is. I sit there. I do fiddle with the volume. I'm like, surely I'll get it to work this time. Historically accurate meteor. This is kind of a good concept. This is kind of a good concept right here. So. Actually, probably a horrible concept, but we will still label it concept. Concept. What is historically? I've considered that. We had the graph situation the prior stream, and it ate all of my RAM. I could not join in the raid out for a little bit there because I couldn't access my computer. But a concept. This would probably be horrible. This would probably be horrible, but it's fun. It's fun to think about. It's fun to think about. The concept of kills the dinosaurs, all of them. That split frame full of graphs is so funny. Wawa. Whenever you do those things in the future, you got to make them nice. 19. Wawa. Plink. Plink. To that we say. Oh, I got beat to it. Oh no. But we're on line 379 here. We're on line 379 on here. So can we just define a new command using this? Is it that easy? Because I don't think that there's any for files. Like if we go to here, source CS state. Are we state worm indeed. I should have a bugs command. That would be nice. Are you attempting to elucidate the secret of the month? I thought there were multiple commands to. There's worm and there's spine. Oh, I thought this was elucidation of the secret. I forgot. This is, it. My computer crashed. Oh no. It's like it's hidden. It's like I will say this. I perhaps due to my lack of grasp of being able to understand whenever I'm being vague or not, made the final hint like just completely absurd. But the answer is quite literally on that final section. After it is decoded, it is right there. It's also hard to know what others don't know. This is quite the case. I felt so bad whenever Prod was talking about or discussing spending quite some time looking for a missing fifth book, I was like, oh no, this is I. I only put that link in there because I thought it would be funny to link that because that's where I took the words out of. Because what words? No words. I looked at that poem and I thought, isn't it funny that book 6 of this has the word worm in it multiple times? And that that's all I'll say on that. Those who know know. Those who know. Those who know. Uh, so how do new command? New command. So that's all that there is to a command. Do we have an F open? F open? Avoid silly complaints about F open. Do we have do exec file? Is that exposed to us though? That's not exposed. Okay, that's sad. Do ex. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh wait, you got it. Okay, yeah. So I can explain. Like things happen. Things happen. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I did hide it. Okay. Okay. So the explanation is, have you ever seen, you know, you know, it it happens, but yeah. Yeah, this is, it is, okay, I guess I did do well enough with it. Okay, I thought or not well enough, but I guess it wasn't too vague. Okay, this is, how's the soil? I do like to, I like to root around in it. This is, perhaps, look, we don't have to get hasty here. We don't have to get hasty. Like we could forget. We can forget what was seen. This was never we never speak of this. We never speak of this, as they say. This is a D worm. I wish that I could. I unworm. I can actually go back. Can I? Oh. Can I? Oh, wait. Can I? Yeah, there we go. Okay, I just have to, I just have to, oh yeah, this is the GVA color theme. This was the secret. This was the secret right here. So the way I got at the end was, frequency analysis of the things. Two most occurring things, were either like till, so I was pretty sure that was the latter. Okay, so I guess, now I can actually, I don't know, if any would like to or see the logic I had with the puzzle, I'd be happy to divulge into it. Not necessarily. It's much simpler than that. Much simpler than that, which is wild that you got the correct one. But this is, but also congratulations. We have to log this. This is actually the true. Yeah, the. So like it mentions, was it head and tail? Was that it? Because that was what I was going for. Yep. Yeah. That. Okay. Yes, that was it. Yes. As you can see, I was flying off the eve of Haskell freaking January with that one. So this is big news. Big news. Sorry, it has been a few days. We will say A squared has uncovered the truth this is this is kind of this is kind of big. Frequency analysis approach was either till or serpent. But then I realized head tail, and that's why the first line was like that. Yeah, it was. It was. I was trying to figure out, like, I was walking a bit of a tightrope between crypticism and or crypticness. I don't know how to crypticness crypto. I did not want to be too cryptic, but I wanted to be cryptic enough that it was it gave some amusement. But also you won. There was a bounty. There was a bounty. Head and tail work with worms nicely too. Yes, this was part of the intention. I was like, worms kind of have heads and tails is the same thing. Let's see, what do we can we but yeah, I was like, oh wait, Lisp head tail, I know what this is. Okay, I'm glad that I barely know this. Yeah, no, it was rather, I don't know. I'm happy someone found it. I was worried thinking about it for a little bit there. I was like, oh man, did I make it too fucked up? Did I make it too fucked up? Speaking of fucked up, like, am I right? Like, center, um, wouldn't leave it unsolved. You know, this is, you know, as they would, as they would say, you know, I'm warming out. I'm warming out over this. I did say that there was a reward, a bounty, a reward for the bounty. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. Look. I can explain. No need to get. No need to be so, you know, be so rushed in any form of revelation. Oh. Okay, yeah. Anyway, there was a reward for this. There. Oh yeah, flower is a hat. It is the one where, or I need to make the, I think, commands perhaps a little bit more like decipherable. I guess. I was going through and fixing them. But yeah, I don't know if you have any preference, but accessory antenna middle. Oh, this would be nice. The secret third antenna. Bug socks. Wait, this is okay. Speaking of things. So we have a connection here. If we go to app commands, no, JSON, as it was defined many moons ago, it was determined that legs, you know. And if we look right here, coincidence? Bug socks? Coincidence? I think not. This is not programmatically making socks, though. But this will be approached. This will be approached upon the next session. This is the next approach on the next session is we enter the realms of bug socks to find redemption and you know, redeem ourselves from our detrivoric nature. I do not know. I shall need to think on this. Yeah. I figured, I was like, I need to come up with something cool. But I need to think of them. But I had this option. I also made like a slot machine for if you just wanted to spin like a wheel of fortune was the other thing I had, but it kind of looks ugly, but it does work. It's kind of it's not too bad. Oh wait, I have to bring me over there. I have to bring myself over there. Documents, slots, are you in here? Slots, yeah. I don't know. I made it in like 30 minutes, I think. This was supposed to be words, but it kind of looked like a flock of birds. But yeah, we have gambling. We have live SDL based gambling. Looking very set Radio Future right now. But welcome in, Tayumisi. Welcome. I I'm glad that you're here now and not 5 minutes ago. Whenever the revelation occurred, and see the GBA form rather than the other, because this is much more. This is much nicer. Gambling. Yep. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. This is. So it goes. So it goes. This is. Yeah. 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 This is as it goes. Anyway, who's up for some gambling? Who's up for? Can I say? Am I gonna get like voice detection, like auto modded, like out of Twitch? Who's up for some gambling? Who's up? Yeah, let's go gambling. I love spending my money on. So I've been thinking about this. I've been thinking about this a lot. If you, like, like Northern Lion, gotcha game. Oh, did the theme change? Not it didn't work. Oh, there's a broken theme. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what? Dot C. Did I poke at the wrong thing? Did I poke at the wrong thing? Aha, that's probably the problem. Can we just change this without it destroying everything? Can we just change this? Probably. I will need to die briefly. I will need to die briefly though. I will need to die briefly. Hold on. This is death is coming very, very brief. Can we make clean? Make all. Don't second fault. Okay, yeah, look. It should work now. It should work. Oh yeah. Northern Lion, I saw a, a YouTube short. The it kind of happens. This is sort of the theme. This is the theme of the month. We are going to create, over the course of probably a couple weeks. It probably won't take the whole month. We are going to make Bug Hell. We are going to make Bug Hell a reality. This is like when clock restarts the model. Yeah, it's rather, I need to implement probably a better method of. I need to not change the source code as much is probably the actual thing. I pulled it up. Right before the stream, and it displayed a slot machine to me. I'm like, what the hell? This is the wrong thing. And I realized that testing the slots, gambling, I had make it scriptable in Lisp. So there is a redeem that is, I think it's rewrite the bug in Rust, which was partially motivated by it because everyone's talking about like rewrite a C program in Rust. I'm like, I'll make that a redeem, but a Lisp version will probably actually happen sooner unless somebody like redeems that. Krabs is a bug. See, just like me, just your regular old bug. Nothing lurking beneath. Just so state. Do we have? Because we have an alias command. Oh, I can't spell. Can I word? So that happens. So if we rgrep for, because I'm assuming that this is a built-in command.
Meteor happens.
Oh god, that frightened me. To some degree as well. It hits when it hits when the meteor. I the fact that I guess that it's able to instill some degree of terror. there are a couple others. There are some that the Mouth friends may the Mouth friends amongst us may know as well, or the Lala fan base.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of
Meteor
a deal.
happens. Meteor happens.
Oh God, yes, it does happen when you say meteor happens.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
So if you have an, I think it's in state. I think it's in state. We probably don't need to know where Elias is. There. First thing to match wins. Bald meteor bug died again. If else chain. Yeah, this is. Wait. There's an if else chain in here.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
Bald meteor happens. Oh yeah. Oh, and secret activations. Yeah, it is. It's just pattern matching. It's just pattern. Yeah, it's just like a very long list of pattern matches for Haskell.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
So can we just generate a new command? REPL.cc cs.new command. Wait, exec. Exec. Tests. Simple.cube. Okay, so that just execs the file. So we are able to read from a file. Why is it, I just want to write, I want to add like the ability to write to a file in this. And this is all I thought about whenever I realized I couldn't just like, or like echo a file out. I don't know how to do that in C, or C++. So let's see. Let's see if we can just kind of guess this. Just see that new command. Let's just make a cat command. S is the type. Alright, so string, integer, float, any, bytecode, condition, ident, number. So I think we'll have this be a string type. And then what is the variadic commands have their type list suffixed with ... What the hell is this last one? Argument list, simple types. Currently the following simple types are recognized for condition types. Variadic, let's see. I think maybe we can just go with auto. This is alright. Auto CSS. Auto args. Auto and okay, args. So this is probably, if we look at this one, welcome in 4B OC4. Yeah, the Neo, welcome. This is actually Emacs. Yes, this is GNU Emacs with Vim key bindings. This is evil mode Emacs. Although I was the historical lore of my personhood is being an avid Vim user for quite some time, and then like similar to my NVim, LOL. You're not sponsored by GNU Emacs. Oh no, I am. I have much. I have my I set on a much bigger sponsor. I am probably sponsored by GNU Geeks, the transactional package manager for the GNU Linux system. It is designed to give users more control over their general purpose and specialized computing environments, and make these easier to reproduce over time. Actually, like honestly, like if you look at nope, uh, get Savannah Geeks. I always forget what it's called. GNU GUIX. This is what I called it for quite some time. And you must imagine my shock whenever I learned that this is the incorrect way to pronounce it. Incorrect. Yeah, the completely incorrect way. But yes, this is Emacs running. This is kind of, I guess in many ways this is a bit of a Lisp maxed operating system. Can I have the tree? Can I have the browsing the repository? Oh, okay. I have to click it. Emacs. Unfollow. Yeah, no, it is. Emacs is the wait. Oh, thank you for the bits as well. Thank you. I must say I do like the OVIM. But thank you as well. Thank you. But I am of the as much as I'm a fan of NeoVim, I really kind of am of the persuasion of like as they say, do you use evil? I do use evil, yes. I everything I have on my computer is Vim key bindings. Like even Firefox, like I'll be watching a stream. I have Firefox like keybound with, or I have Firefox like key bindings, like Vim style, and I'll be watching a stream, right? I won't recognize that the stream like chat has captured my input, and I will start typing in HHHHLL or something like to that degree, and be like, why the fuck am I not moving? Pseudo reboot. Yeah, this was an IRC moment. This was a pseudo reboot now. Oh no, we can't do this. This perhaps is the true, the true final redeem. This is the pseudo re. That would be fucked up. That would be kind of funny though. Good thing I had the right window focused. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's Plague with Fire. I fear such things after the documents folder incident. Wait, Zig? They have a Zig. What's going on in the log? Yeah. Chat should get to type one letter of command per chat or per stream. Like, just build one up over time. This could be disastrous. This could be disastrous. Actually, now that I think about it, like, I'm not sudoed, so yeah, this will be implemented. This would be fun. Oh, wait. Yeah, I didn't think of that. Never mind. This will not be implemented. I've heard Emacs is one of the best operating systems you can use, and all it really needs is a good text editor. This kind of is the case. This really is the case. I was banging my head against the ClojureScript REPL. This is actually too real. This is actually way too real. But I do use it for just about everything. Except for, I guess, graphical applications. But I check my emails in Emacs. I SSH in Emacs. I'm not going to do that right now. I use Emacs for SSH. I use Emacs for reading documentation. I use Emacs for reading. Hold on. I use Emacs for reading freaking books. Let's let's gamble one more time. You know, I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling good fortune on this. Okay, I use Emacs for books. Like if we go here, if we go to, you know, a little bit of revised reports on the algorithmic language scheme. Like if we go here, all in Emacs, I can flashbang. Let's see, PDF, color, or dark, ZD. Okay, you'll just have to take my word for it. I forgot the key binding for this. Oh, there we go. Themed minor mode. You know, PDF minor mode. I do apologize. But yeah.
Meteor happens. Meteor happens.
It's the blinding light of redemption. The blinding light of redemption. Of the theme of redemption. It's like 4 a.m. for at least 2 people here. Oh, I do apologize. Oh yeah. Yes, I do apologize for that. I was ready. This is what I think. Like, this is what I think before watching probably like a soding, like, or I was watching a soding.
Meteor happens. Meteor happens.
Oh god. I was watching a soding video the other day, and it was the tree sitter one, and I actually not understand how you do it. Do 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or watch soding. But no, I was watching a soding video, and 4 to 5 a.m. This is a regular Friday night occurrence for me. I wake up on Friday. I go to work. I get off of work. I'm like, time to stay up until 5 a.m. doing things. And then Saturday, I sleep the entire day. I hibernate, as we say. And then I wake up in the evening, and I'm like, aha, I'm hungry. And I eat dinner. I'm nocturnal. I just need too much Eve. You see, I have a thing called, I have a bit of a thing called insomnia, to some degree, which is, it's not fun, but it does mean that I am up quite a bit. It's body desires to be nocturnal. I feel it in my bone. I am nocturnal. Oh god. Yeah. No. Oh god. The rectangle is exciting. All right. What were we? Oh, they've been going wild on the Libre updates. But is there any? No, I don't care. Is there any Lisp? No. Do we have DAP? That's it. Magic wormhole. Okay, that's kind of cool though. Okay, but yeah, libcubescript. So I'm wondering if we can just define a command like this. Yeah, worms will be worms, as they say. Worms will be worms. I think I'm coming around. I think I'm worm neutral is what I would call myself. What the hell? Wait. Worm ambivalent. You know, this is the way. This is the way. This is kind of nice. Chat room is so :3. You know, I do quite like it. I do quite like it. I enjoy. I think of this as hopping on to see my friends. Hopping on to see my friends. I don't know. I work a I think I've divulged this. I work like kind of like a call center style job. And some of the days after work, I'm just like, oof. But then I come here, I'm just like, oh, I can talk to friends, and then I feel better after. But yeah, that is my little bit of gushing there. Yes, but I appreciate all of you, and uh, it I'm quite happy that I found this place in this community. You know, it makes all the difference. We're hey now, hey, we're no, I think you're mistaken. I think you're mistaken. I think you're a bit mistaken here. Let's not get let's not oh god, let's not start pointing fingers at who is and isn't a worm. You know, what happens what happens here. We need not speak of this, as they say. Let's see. Oh god, the fingers really are pointing. So can we just cat a file? How do you? I'm thinking. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. um. Oh no. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I feel much better. I feel much better now. What the fuck is? Hello? Get string? Oh, okay, so that's just grabbing the file string. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think that up until this part, we'll want to define a do read file probably. Equals. So where do they get do exec file from? So if we rg or rgrep do exec file all, if this is save, yeah, let's go ahead and save. If this is an actual like just built in like C++, all right, tools, static bool do exec file. Okay, so that is line 192. So we'll just go ahead and hop up there. 192. Let's go ahead and close that right now. And we'll just define a. So I guess the coding style is a static bool, and then we can do. Let's just call it do cat file. CS state meow meow or hold on. This is where do I have it saved? Where do I have it saved? It's on here. Refresh. There we go. Meow 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 colon 3 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 meow 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 colon 332ds xd imprownya. There we go. Imprownya is true poetry being being spoken there. So true indeed. You know, thus, oh, what's the name of that book? Thus spoke Zarath, Zarath, Zarath. I cannot see Zoroastra, Zara, the Zoroastrianism guy. Him, yes. Um, Zara, Zara, yeah. I have quite a bit of a difficult time pronouncing that word. Zarathustra. Okay, there. Okay, there. This is. It came out of the. It came out finally. Zara. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. We will be stuck here forever if I attempt. Zarathustra, something like that. Yeah. I sometimes. I sometimes. I sometimes will give up on the pronunciation of a word halfway through and just let whatever happens with the full one. Another one in this is aluminum. Yes, I believe tongue tied is what they call this to some degree. I think that's the term, tongue tied. I will pretend it's aluminum. Yeah, this one. If I say it the British way, I can say it. Aluminium. Yes, that one works. That one works. Alum alum al, alumin aluminium. See, I said it. Haha. Pronunciation of a worm. This is perhaps a mouthful of dirt could do this to someone. A mouthful of soil. A mouthful pronunciation. A mouthful of soil can do this to one. So if we do CS any value, no, we want to CS string this. So do we go back into the source? CS state. Is that where it lives? Any value. What if we go into the includes for state cubescript? Oh, that's Mason. Oops. Cubescript. Cubescript. State, not HH. Alright. String view args, and FF. So, let's see. Yeah, because this is what we're looking at over here. Can we D any value this? Any passed as is a float. Alright, let's see. Valid name, valid argument, and a function to call these. These values, as they say, yes. This is, do we have string value? Is this even a thing that we have? So like, where is any value even defined? State.cc. Oh, we're doing an untyped language, so it probably actually does need to be any value. Which is somewhat unfortunate, but let's see. Any value. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do it. Any value and because error types as well. Probably. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and just do how I did it in the bug. See source, parse, file f equals. I think this is the first time I've done any C++ at all. It feels weird. It feels kind of weird. Fname.data. So is that a state CS function? Okay. And we do just want to we want to just read this. If cat reads the file, what does worm do? Worm, stays hidden and non-existent. There are no worms on the bug stream, as they say. There are no worms on the bug stream. This never happened. If not F. Actually, we'll just return error at the end, I think. So if F, let's go ahead and fseek. Do I have to import that? Yeah. Okay. Standard fseek. Seek whole. I don't want to seek whole. I want to seek end. What the hell is an auto? Wait, what? What is an auto? C++. I seek no whole. Bear seek less, as we say. From what I've learned, auto has always been a weird storage class specifier. Auto is a keyword that C++ inherited from C that had been there nearly forever, but virtually never used because there were only two possible conditions. Either it wasn't allowed, or else it was just assumed by default. The use of auto... Oh wait, really? Is that it? Is it just, more or less like class inference style, almost? Well, not full, or not class, I mean type inference, but not full type inference? Okay. Wait, that's kind of nice. Oh, I have the standard. Standard ftal fp. Nothing changes. It's just so you don't have to write out already known types again. I mean, if it's just for that, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I would say I'm probably somewhat neutral on that when they are long. Oh yeah, I could see that. Actually. Really, I think of the really wild type defs. Yeah, okay, it makes sense in that. I think using it for trust me, it's good for C++. I will have to take your word. For it. This is, yeah. Yeah, no, I will. I shall take your word for it. There, this is the first little bit of C++ I've ever actually done. So this is rather, I guess, rather interesting to some degree. C++ has lambdas in it. Um, oh wait, are we just calling it a lambda, right? Wait. Oh, is C++ kind of cool? What the hell? I might I may check out C++ a little bit more. Well, I mean at that point I'll probably just go. I might just go to Rust at that point. I guess because they feel somewhat similar, like to me whenever I like at least read them both. I don't know, but the compatibility with C is also nice because a lot of my stuff is in C, which what doesn't C++ have? This is this is what I say about Common Lisp to some degree. Like Common Lisp has everything except for a good WebSockets library. I think networking. Oh, so C++ and Common Lisp are similar, I guess. In that, well, Common Lisp has networking. It has a WebSocket library, but it took me an hour to find one. And by that time, I had already implemented like what I was trying to do in Clojure, which made me a little bit sad. Oh, no standard. That's kind of terrifying. So, oh, we have to. I'm assuming this is for header collision issues. Um, Common Lisp programming is very NIH style. Yeah, it really. I was doing Lisp for the first time since the end of Haskell January last night, and it took a bit of a bit of a moment to get used to like costs and everything again. But once I was getting back into it, I was like, oh, this feels nice. This feels. It was like returning to an old friend, I guess, to some degree. As they say, seek. Can I seek set? No hole still. We will just call it temp equals do we have memset? Is that just exposed or I'm going to assume so. Memset or just a lot of nulls. Oh, comma. Or is it just string length? I think here we just did an f read. Oh wait, standard f read. I'm assuming this is going to work exactly the same. Oh, this looks wild. Oh, this looks wild. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to write this like C because I can. I think just for this, maybe I'll learn a little bit of that programming style and be like, hi, big, hello, Fizz Buzz, welcome. I hope you're well. Welcome. It is great to see you as well. I hope you are all well. I I say that a lot, but I say it because I mean it, I think. I say that quite a bit, but I say it because I mean it. I hope that you are all well. Where did we get this dangling bracket? I think I did that. Yeah, let's see. So if temp, we do want to go ahead and read that into the file. And then let's see, if Juice McAfferton is raiding with a party for you. Welcome, thank you for the raid. Thank you for the raid. Can we do the shout out as well? Thank you for the raid. I hope you are well. And every Juice McAffendren. Yes, very does very good programming streams. Does last I saw it was Elixir was one. No, last night I think I was lurking. There was construction of a computer going on live on Twitch.tv, and it was really it was kind of cool to watch. It was kind of cool. I was dipping in and out. I don't think I chatted. I was cleaning as I did it. But yes, hello all, hello. How was your stream? I hope it was well. I hope it was well. We are just kind of going over what we're doing. We are doing it is a yeah. I saw portions of it. I was doing some packing. I'm planning to move soon. I was doing some packing, and I was watching bits and pieces of it here and there, and I was quite enthralled. I like watching people build things. It's very fun. It's very nice to see. But yeah, today what we're doing is so there's this library, or there's this Lisp-like programming language that a friend had let me know about, called libcubescript, which is based on the CubeScript game engine, I believe. And it looks like this. And my plan is to add a function to it by the end of this. Or lock in enough to add a function to it by the end of this, because it's missing quite a few things that I would expect a language such as this to, I guess, have, or a scripting style language. And I just want to see if I can actually get one going. I see. Still cool. Didn't imagine anyone would watch it. Oh no, I quite enjoyed it. It was nice to watch. Yeah, I hope the NASA's doing well also. I have a server that in the back, or I have the pieces for a server in the back of my room that are waiting to be set up, but I have to wait till I move. I'm out of ports currently, or not actual ports, but I'm out of places to stick Ethernet cords, and also I have to run 50 foot of wire. Real well has been running 24/7. That's exciting. That's a success story right there. No, that's exciting. That's really nice. I'm glad that it's working well. Let's see. We want to read this into a string. Why am I doing it this way? Yeah, so ftemp, we want to go ahead and read that, and then I feel like somewhere down the line I got a bit lost in what I was doing. A bit distracted. Oh, I didn't define the character. Yeah, that's it. null. Can we null? Back from ad. Oh, hello, welcome back, Crazy Kitty. Yes, I need to figure out how to like. I've been thinking about this. I need to figure out like when the ads are like set up some sort of like alert, if only for myself, so that whenever an ad is going on, I think it would. I wouldn't actually, but I think it would be funny to, whenever an ad's going on, play ads as the live stream goes on, like as well, like on my end, and in solidarity with those witnessing the advertising, just because we, as I say, '07 for ads. It's kind of wild that they you could use the green circle ads that Quant has. I've thought about this. I've thought about this, like creating like custom advertising. This is a thing I've been spinning around in my head to some degree, is like custom, like making fake like old school like what those old YouTube videos. They are like the unregistered hypercam 2. These ones gives watermark. Yes, these. And you click on them. And you hear the music. You hear the watch on YouTube.
We're calling on all late-night coders,
God,
early
yeah.
morning gamers, self-proclaimed space geeks, stargazing science
can we
junkies.
skip? Is it gonna have the song? No. Unregistered hypercam 2. Yeah. And like they all look like this. They all look like this. You got what you wish for. Indeed, I did. I guess this is be careful what you wish for kind of situation. Yeah, I've been thinking of making one of these and having it be like my. So this was on the coming off the eve of watching the. Actually, can we shout out Kensky's Can I words? Yeah, Kensky's trailer for their channel, and I was like, channel trailers, that's kind of cool. And I was like, I was thinking, what would I make a trailer like? And I realized that it came to me in a dream, a unregistered hypercam video for how to watch Big Book of Bug on twitch.tv. Joel, I do need to implement Joel. This needs to happen. I need to find a way to do the GIF image format within my terminal. This is perhaps a quest most daunting but most needed. Can we yeah, we want to read it into the raw. So that's okay. Oh, we'll just call it string, yeah. Alright. String, memset. Okay. Okay, there. That's a lot more readable. And then honestly, I think at that point, all we're going to do is, can we just printf this? Will it work this way? It'll surely work this way. Internet die. Oh no, that's unfortunate. I'm welcome back though. But I'm sorry for the internet. This is This is you know, it's rather it's always rather it's rather sad. I know whenever my internet goes down, I'm like, oh, I guess I'll read a book. Well, I like reading books, but it is it's quite wild when it happens. We had on my old internet service provider. There were quite a bit of there were quite a bit of outages. I guess after we cat it, we can just go ahead and free a string, and then are we return true? True. Is false, 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 true? Okay, that's the same. And then if we don't encounter this, we can just go ahead and return false. No. I don't think this is going to work. Oh, not vsplit. Oops. I don't think this is going to work, but we can at least figure out what's going on with it now. So, eShell. Okay, interrupt. Can we geeks shall? We're probably gonna have to rebuild it. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to cd build. CD build. Actually, this is a job for eat because it will not do me dirty if it has to print more than 3 lines. Not cd bug, cd build. All right. Mason. Ninja all. Error. Okay. Okay. What did we get as the error? Oh, that's a horrifying list. She's showing on my geeks till IE. This is a bit of an E moment. Invalid use of incomplete type. Invalid use of incomplete type. Invalid use of incomplete type. Let's see, we return false here. Oh, what are we doing wrong? Oh, that was kind of frightening. No, forward declaration. What do you mean forward declaration? We called it all right. Oh, that's just a warning for declaration there. Do exec file if we let's kill this rg do exec file. Yeah, we can go ahead and do that. Anywhere? So those we know. What's going on line 393? Oh, thank you for the follow, Kakupsi. Thank you for the follow. And welcome as well. Did we not new command it? Do cat file. Ah, okay, okay. We got array heads here now. Oh, this is actually rather exciting. I want to look at array languages. Maybe someday. I don't. Maybe someday there will be an APL April to some degree. They do interest me, but so does everything. So does everything in this world. But I would say like something like APL and then uh, Prolog feel kind of like the two pillars that of like language types that I've thought a lot about but have no clue what they actually do. Um, Wait, we do have a cat command. Wait, what? Hold on. How does this work? I was trying to do like a read file type. Why is this not in the? Oh wait, no, I wrote that. That's why. Okay, okay. I was like, who wrote that? There is an APL embedded in Common Lisp called Able. I've heard of this. I've actually heard of this. I think, and that is what's always kind of looked exciting to me. So how does exec work? Let's see. So we just implement it like that. So if not, return char buff 4096. I'm just gonna follow their conventions here. So print f buff size of, not size of bug, could not read file. Perhaps this will, I did not realize I had an incomplete function down here. File.data. This one is still strange to me. File.data. I guess because we're storing it in a struct, it looks like. And we go ahead and we throw. Yeah, throw CS error. Alright. Do you error me now? We have more errors, it looks like. Alright. Can we actually clear? 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 Clear. Clear? Okay. Mason.dot. Ninja all. Okay, let's see what we have here. Invalid use on line 379, so 379. Morale indeed. I do not think I touched line 379. This is, let's see. Invalid use of incomplete type. Average CC error. This is, average C. This is, yeah, this is rather, they get rather horrifying. What I'm trying to figure out is why I'm getting an error on something that I did not put my hands on that. I did not put my hands on that. I'm innocent here. This command should show if it's kitty icon. This is not kitty, but we can perhaps can we this is actually, hold on, this is of paramount importance. Can we close? Can we? No? You have to configure with libcurl. Okay, so it's, can we build? Can you compile, please? Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, we have substitute servers. We are so back. Wait. Oh, it works. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is the next step. It sort of works. It does not spin, it seems. It should be animated. This is perhaps a limitation of running it inside of a geek shell rather than just natively installing it. What happens if we what is it? Geeks install kitty. Yeah. So yeah, sleeping Joel. You know, not dead, just resting. Just do we have now? Can we wait? We get slight, oh god, we get slight rotation each time. Loop it. This might be the case. Can we just watch or loop? So I don't write shell scripts. I don't do this. I don't do it in shell. I do it in the Lisp mode though. Loop bash. Here we go. Beginner's guide. Show me the loop format. Stop staring at me. Oh, it's just 4? Okay. Four. Can we do 0? No? 2 parentheses? That, okay, this is odd. Increment. Okay. Oh no. I am. Oh, okay. So it's Wait. Hold on. Let's bring this over here. Let's bring this to. That's looping and bash. Wait. What? This is odd. Yeah, this is are they just locked in the sands of time, I guess, to some degree? Wait a minute. Is this perhaps a Hyperland moment, I guess, to some degree? Or if you put your mouse on the window, I am right here, and it does not want to comply. Oh no, this is. I'm wondering if we can just. I plus plus. Do kitty iCat. Done. 4. Wait. No. Let me loop, please. Oh, I typed new lines. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. I can't just do it on a single line. I do that. Back. Okay, 4. Okay. So we will. Alright. Oh god, it's still kind of fucked up. um. Um. Okay. Wait. Aha. Okay, we got it. All right, can we get a nice rotation going? There we go. The DNA of Joel. This is. Are we editing scroll style? We are looping 100 iterations of Joel and then scrolling up to watch them spin. This is very. I have no clue what's going on with this, but I'm assuming it's Hyperland's fault. I'm gonna blame Hyperland. This is as they say, this is the most touching. This is horrendous. It is kind of horrendous, almost as if there's a real fish in the terminal. I would be concerned if I saw a fish moving this slowly and with occasional stasis, occasional non-movement, menacingly. This is perhaps the case. This is perhaps the case. Like this menacing turn of a Joel. They're on the lookout. This is. I could probably just like run it. Wait, is the terminal fake? No, well, I guess it's a terminal emulator technically, but no, this is the kitty terminal, and in order to get Joel-based movement, looped over this GIF 100 times. Fish emulator. This might actually be doable in Emacs though. Just running the GIF. I know Emacs can play a single GIF once, so if I find a way to just iterate over that pretty consistently, or this might be a job for Common Lisp, I imagine. Can do GIFs, yeah. Common Lisp, Skippy. Okay. Aha! Okay, we found our way. Why would Emacs not parse the re-EP count GIF metadata? I actually... It may... I have never had a GIF... that I've you or open an Emacs like run more than once, even like it's a bit of a bit of an odd situation there. It has never run more than once. Although the issue with this is Yuri scheme. So if I just don't get Yuri, like if I just do this non-Yuri style Joel.gif, can I can I can I image the sixel? Okay, there we go. That we have single rotation, which means that we can combine with 4. Wait, this is I equals 0. I plus plus. There we go. Image animate loop is non-null. Oh, this is hold on. Image mode.l. Image mode.l. This actually works weirdly well enough. Somewhat terrifying. I could just spawn terminals and have it run this anytime someone does Jolt. This is. Are we? Hold on. Are we Haskell? Are we? Do we Haskell? Yeah, I think we're gonna look at Haskell instead right now for this last little bit. I wonder if we can just Haskell freaking January. You can take as we say take the bug out of the Haskell, but you can't take the Haskell out of the bug. As you know that is where I will stay. That is it. That is the situation we are in. But if we go to documents, Haskell IRC app IRC. Do you live in Shell? Shell, yes. Shell. Can we just do something kind of hacky? Yes. IO. I like the artifacting when workspace changes. It's a cool or qualify. Yeah, no, like Hyperland. It kind of rules. Hyperland kind of rocks. I really, it's really pretty. Foot help. What do we do? E is ignored for compatibility reasons. So how do we options command arg. So can we just not or let's see. Can we just run foot? No. Image to sixel. Classic. All right, so Emacs, I guess. Emacs is the way. Although I think we can just Joel dot. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Oh, oops. Uh, Joel, programming time indeed. Um, only here, only here near the eve of the stream. That does it truly begin? Does it truly be? I don't know. I kind of the moment I'm in the throes of it, I can kind of, I feel like I go wackier. Not wackier, but I go I go far harder off of the stream sometimes. So there's sometimes I feel bad because I will talk through most of the stream, and then afterward I'll be like, damn. It's a software and game development. People are going to come here and be led astray by and be like, this is not software. This is not game development. This is yapping. And then I'm like, okay. And then I do all the stuff off of. We know it's just yapping too. Yes, indeed. You see, I think in my head what I fear. I think perhaps this is a vacant fear, but I fear in my brain that somebody is going to see me just start like see me talking, and they're going to be like, yeah, when are you going to actually do the thing? I'm going to be like, oh no, just chatting about software. This is quite the case, you know. It really is. It's just it's like, you know, it's kind of like I guess I think the way I think of it is it's almost like, because it's not, you know, it's social media to some degree, I guess, but it's not like social media like when you think like I'm gonna go log in on Twitter and read the timeline. It feels very much about like feels very similar in some ways, and maybe this is just me, to being on like an old an old like forum, like some of the like really old cool ones, chatting with our silly little. This is quite the case, or like, you know, it's like Club Penguin to some degree, or Roblox. Yes, this is like Roblox 2.0. It was like Roblox before it became what it is now. Minus, you know, instead of chatting and gaming, it's chatting and game development and software. Does this just work? Will this just work? Can we just call command Joel? I don't see errors. That's good. Can we flake that next? Okay, connected. Okay. So, I mean, ostensibly this should just be able to do it, right? Since we're running in the terminal, and it'll just make a giant Joel that overwhelms the entire screen. As commands cmd or core. And we'll just put it right here. Yeah, we'll do a match command. We'll do a match command for that. So do c.left.io. c.left.io, and then oh, I think we can just return that, yeah. We don't have to bind it to anything else. All right. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, I'll be sad. But if it does work, aha. Okay. We now have a way to crash the chat. That is not what we need. we have crash methods. That's one way to implement it. This is perhaps we can just add a temporary. I wonder what happened with the exit code was. Actually, let me crash it one more time so I can read the exit code really quick. Exit 255 failed. So if we go to shell, so that's output file. Okay. Can we just foot? I love Wayland. I love Wayland. You know what this might actually be a case of? This might actually be a case of this is the foot server. So if we just get foot. No. Still no. Foot, yo, Joel. Yeah, this is somewhat tragic. I think we can just do it as an Emacs command. So, we'll go into Emacs. What was that again? The image mode.l. Let's just add a right here. Fish emoji. I do think that a stand-in fish emoji would be quite nice. I think we're going to go with this. All right. That should keep until crash. Image mode.l. So we are. Let's see. Image animate loop. Okay.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
No Joel. There should be a Joel. There, $store Joel. Oh no. Oh no. We are creating a Joel. We just have to set image animate loop, and I think that we can just open this in Emacs. Let's see. What was it? Yeah, image animate loop. Let's see. Non-nil. So I think we would just set Q. Alright, image animate loop 1. Oh, does it not Joel? Oh, it does. Oh, it makes the insect tome state this. All right, we will fix this. Find file. Let's see. Can we just... Ah, okay. This is perhaps something. It's still it's still a little fucked up, but it does the trick. It does the trick. I have to play it though. Can we set queue? Is there an autoplay? Let's see. Probably next to image animate loop on here. Image. Let's see. Image animate loop, part of image mode.l. Okay, we are going into image mode.l. All right, here we go. Image toggle animation. Is this it? Yeah, because this is a custom. So I think that we can just go ahead and grab this. Wrong number of arguments. Okay. So we just call there. No. So if we chain these together, if we do like a... Do we have prog? Prog n? Okay. Find file. Joel.gif. Image toggle. Hey, okay. So that's, we just have to chain it like that. So I think what we can do, in this case is, if we go to shell.hs, well, welcome in, Salad for Us. Welcome. I hope you're well. So let's see. All right. Big Book of Bug. Another line. You know, another day, another line in the Big Book of Bug. Wow, indeed. Wow, indeed. Oh, 2 lines. Thoughts apolitic. And there. So we'll just call this Twitch Joel. Alright. Emacs client E. Twitch Joel. Alright. And then we just have to go and...
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
shout out Lala. Oh God, yes. Shout out. Honestly, shout out to Lala. Shout my favorite. My favorite bald foot streamer. You know, there. Nobody else. Nobody else does baldness and feet like her. Emacs. Bug Twitch. Oh, Evanita gave me a shout. Oh, is she live? Oh, we might go there after we defund syscall. Wait, what? Oh, I should implement that. That's funny. Let's see. Defund Twitch / Joel Interactive set Q image toggle then we prog n find file and I think we just oh no we set image animate loop, that's it. And then we image toggle animation. Yeah, I think that this should... You don't need... Oh, yeah, we're not in the, We're not in the REPL now. Okay, yes. I do need to open a new buffer, though. I believe. Can we go to the old message of the day and just grab some of this? Okay, so it's with temp buffer, and then we will just do display buffer. Is there a way to check if it's animated? Alright. Okay, there. We do have it. To some degree now. To some degree. So now we just need to... I think we want the user to be able to state this. Might as well leave the Joel buffer open and show it every time. This might be the case. This might be better than what I was planning, which was just to show a new one, or allow like a multitude of buffers. This is actually much better though. Can we move that right here? And can we... Yeah, I think for this we're just going to do... Alright, so shell Joel. And this we'll call twitch.joel. Okay. Oh. Why is it trying to send email from the music player Okay, this is a thing. This is a thing. It's do any of you good people ever have one of those things that just kind of happens and you never fix it because it's not enough of a pain? It's just like whatever you are reminded, you're kind of like, what the hell? Emacs thinks that I'm logged in as the music player demon. It does not think I am me. It thinks I am a music player demon, and I'm assuming that this is because that is like one of the user groups I'm in. So whenever I send email, I have to ensure that I like correct the username before I send mail, or it will say from MPD. I was like, why? This is it's rather it's rather wacky, I guess. Yeah, I don't think we'll do a... Yeah, we won't do a with temp buffer then. We will just do a this is fearsome. What is the fear? AMD microcode signature verification vulnerability. I don't like this. Oh, this is... Just looking at that, okay, that is rather fearsome. That's kind of... Just the name sounds kind of terrifying. Yeah, I don't think we're going to want to call the with temp buffer though. I think we're just going to do with current buffer Joel. Yeah, then we just want to call these two. The vulnerability is the CPU uses an insecure hash function in the signature validation for microcode updates. Oh, does this mean Geekster's right all along? And I should have listened to them and not used non-geeks? Because that's their whole thing, is they talk about the security vulnerabilities of microcode updates, but I was like, I've always thought, and this is why I use the default Linux kernel, it's probably better to update your system. Does this work? That's kind of horrifying, though. That's actually very horrifying. Microcode updates are indeed critical. You see, this is what I sort of intuit. Okay, so that will... We'll call that Joel and Net. And then we will have Twitch Joel. Oh no. Oh, you know, perhaps it is because I'm using find file joel.gif and thus opening up the file all while like insert file contents. Is that it? Insert file contents. Can we kill Joel buffer? We have binary. All right, there's Joel. Yeah, no, not really. That would be kind of funny though. Set image mode. This. File contents literally. Oh, we probably want to do that after we display the buffer. Okay. I wonder what happens if we call the literal. Wrong argument, string p no. Where am I? See, I may have to actually swap a to-do over this. It is rather late. It sort of works though. It works enough that we can call Joel and Ned. What happens if we call it multiple times? Let's see, we want to go to core.haskell. Oh, in Joel and Net. I wonder what it does though. Just like this. Oh, and then it crashes it. Okay, okay. Classic. All right. I perhaps did we did some libcubescript. This mostly became an implement Joel, but I do have to slumber now. Who shall we go see? I believe if it is indeed true that I think we raided Lala like not too long ago. Let me see. Let me see who is the Joel that kills chat. This is somewhat exciting. Who is alive? Who is in the world of the living? I actually don't think that Lala is. Uh, perhaps we will. Perhaps we will go to. Um, let's see. I think this is where we will go. Is this perhaps? Yes. Oh wait, no. Wait. Oh, she's playing arena. Hold on. We might actually. Let me see the last time that we ended up there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's been. See. Oh, this is always the hardest part, is deciding where to go. Um, I think that we will. I think we'll go ahead. I think where we will go though is I have never, I've never rated Jams virtual, so this is perhaps we will go there. Perhaps we will go there. I think this seems like the move. All right, let us go. Let us go. But thank you everyone. Thank you all. I hope that I don't know. I hope you all do well. When we return, we will be back in Joler than ever because now I'm going to work on this. Thank you. Thank all of you. Thank all of you. Yes, as they say. Oh, I know. I don't think I ever. We do have the. I forgot to say that we have these. We have our own. We have our own little bug zone and bug county. Big book. I don't know about all that. But we do. This is yes. We have the place, the locale. Anyway, I shall. Yes. So let's go. Let us go. Thank you all. Have great times. Yes.